and my trailer is full. Now we can begin our trip. Okay, now okay. Okay, for border with UK we have 3 hours driving. Now I have 2 hours driving time. Maybe now make a small break, quickly eating and come back driving. And turn right, Starbucks, Shell and Shell coffee. Okay. Turn left, turn left. Oh, we can stay there. Or here or there. Okay, guys, right now we on the border, French and England. Control, it's okay. Go to train, quickly crossing and go to Oxford. Near Oxford I know very beautiful service where I will spend my day off. Tomorrow I have day off. It's Wednesday, day off for the best truck drivers in Europe. Okay guys, quick check-in. English. Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Can you check my license plate? I don't know. I can't go inside.
Okay, start again.
Okay, thank you. We'll try again. Oh, now good. Now everything good. I don't know, it's first time. Usually everything okay, usually it's faster, but I don't know. Something wrong today. Guys, today border really empty. Without any trucks, without any controls. I have luck. Today everything very fast. I think now I go to train without any stops. Our lane number 12.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Look, I'm here alone. What happened? Why I'm here alone? Oh yes, few trucks stay here. this lane go. Maybe my lane also will go now. Look. I think yes. Or no. This lane is closed. This lane. This lane, wait. Yes. I think we also now will driving because that lane go. Oh. That lane go, and after our turn look how much birds here. It's amazing. Okay, wait. Last truck go. And we will drive or no? We will drive or no? Unfortunately, we will wait. Guys, we just wait here control. Guys, we must take the train after 200 meters. Thank you, Google Maps, thank you. Here turn left. Today train will also empty. But few trucks continue. But few trucks also drive. Look, right side is for small cars. Oh, look, policia. 1, 2. 2 cars, policia. For small cars, train have 2 decks. Oh, we must slide left. Look, our train. Here need be careful and attention. Up. Okay. Left, right, and okay. we can drive here slowly. But I saw some drivers driving here very quickly. It's amazing and dangerous. But sign show we can drive here only 10 kilometers per hour. Okay. Neutral, brakes, and cheek. We almost arrived. Guys, how usually in England rain. Look, really. Welcome to England. I come back in the best country. I don't know why, but I really love England. I really love England. It's a very interesting and beautiful country. And here people speaking English. I love English language and I try to learn to improve my pronunciation. It's really important for me. Okay. Few minutes. UK. United Kingdom. Okay guys, let's go. If you remember, today we go to Oxford. It's maybe 3 hours and we coming to Oxford. Let's go, rain!